Good morning, traders. Richard Miller here doing a quick point and figure chart review of the S&P 500 index in view of the recent price action. We're very close to a point and figure chart target of 4020. Let me just maximize this. We can see here we've got two targets here. These targets come from a very long December 2018 target, and this one is a May 2020, so we're finally getting close to that 4025 point and figure chart target. The next one is 4075. Now be aware that consolidation risk, as soon as a market or an index or a stock has hit a target, there's quite a risk of a consolidation or a brief consolidation and pullback. If we can see here, when we hit the 3701, soon after there's a bit of a correction rally. Now we're about to hit the 4025 one, or 4075, so the market could hit this cluster of point and figure targets and then reverse a little bit lower from there. And then there's a really big one at 16% gain, 4675. But I think we will probably have a correction, a pullback, before we get to that point and figure chart target. Now this is a 25 by 3, which means any kind of drop of 75 points or more in the S&P will then end this uptrend. So far we have a confirmed uptrend on a point and figure chart basis. We can see this is the trend line, so we can expect the market to snap back at some point and retest this trend line over the next couple of weeks. But so far so good, very close to hitting the 4025 target, 5 points away from that. We'll probably hit it today, and then we might have a consolidation and then hit the 4075 later in the week, and then have a bit of a pullback or consolidation. But don't think we'll get to this one quite quickly. There will definitely be a consolidation on the back of that. Now a little bit more sensitive to the price action is the 5 by 3 point and figure chart target on a 60-minute chart. So it's a little bit more in tune with shorter term targets. So we can see we've just hit the 40110 target, and if I want to add another target, 4045 is another short-term target, 4050 is another short-term target, so 4060. So there's a whole cluster of short-term targets here on the 60-minute that we might hit this week. So we're not far away from those levels. The other targets is 4100, 4180, and 4350 is another larger target. But do expect these targets to hit, and then a bit of a pullback consolidation, and then for the trend to continue. But so far the trend is up on a 60-minute basis, and if we get a 15-point drop to the downside, then we know we're going to head down back to test this bottom end trend line support. But so far so good, based on the point and figure charts. Very close to hitting these targets, very close to targets of 4045, one to watch out, and 4025. So the targets for today to watch out is 425. For this week is 4075, and then the other ones is 4075. You can see there's a double confirmed target there, and then the target's 41 higher up, 2% away from the next 4100 target. But so far so good. Markets in a rally, just be aware of any consolidation risk in and around these targets. Until next time, happy point and figure chart trading.